Congratulations to choosing Pastor Lazarus Moka. According to what I saw on the news, he just got 2 helicopters and 1 private jet. They said it's going to be for evangelism all over the world. My question is, I hope the evangelism will get to places like Afghanistan, Zambia forest, all those places where we say on rest day, okay, Palestine, and Palestine. I hope to get to all those places so that I can go and do evangelism for those people, because I think these are the people that need evangelism. And you know what? I now remember all these videos of their members dancing in the mud. I say, are these the people that contributed the money for the private jets and everything? If yes, why are they looking like this? If no, where pastors see money to buy private jets and 2 helicopters? Before you say I dey lie, see the caption here where I see the news from. It's from one reputable Christian page. I saw it. It says, congratulations to the Lord chosen for the acquisition of 2 helicopters and 1 private jet. Anyway, this is just a congratulatory message. And I wonder why, with all the people that we see that look so needy in that church, pastor will buy 2 helicopters and 1 private jet. Anyway, as I see him, I say make I bring him. And now look, we no judge. Let somebody shout hallelujah.